In these uncertain times, many dinosaur parents find themselves asking the question, how do I make sure my eggs hatch? Today, we're going to be talking basic egg safety as well as recreating a hatching egg and giving it away, so stick around. Tip number 1 in egg safety. Make sure to have a lot of them. If you're a rookie, I'd recommend starting with 3 to 5, but let's try and pump those numbers up. You're young, you're clumsy, you're bound to crush an unborn child or two. We all make mistakes, so make sure to have a couple spares. Tip number 2. Make sure to carefully guard and protect your eggs. It is super helpful if you live with your friends and family, that way you can take turns watching your eggs. By keeping your precious eggs close, you are far more likely to prevent any sort of prospective egg thieves from eating your children. Tip number 3. That is to completely abandon them. That's right, go out for some vegetation and never come back. Let's be real here, if you're a sauropod and you want to be the biggest and tallest, you really don't have time to be busy watching eggs. Why should you be bothered to take care of an egg when there is an incredibly slim chance of its survival? After all, what is the joy of children compared to feasting on those yummy greens? Tip number 4. Make sure you're choosing the right neighborhood. Remember, mammals and oviraptors will beg, borrow, and steal to turn your eggs into a meal. Your best option is to either avoid laying eggs in the bad parts of town or to viciously murder your enemies. Before we wrap up, I just want to thank Dino and Dog for sending me this awesome model. Go check them out, link in the description. That is it, my friends. I wish you all the luck in the adventure that is becoming a dinosaur parent. If you'd like a chance to win this hatchling Parasaurolophus, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Winner's going to be announced next video, so stick around. Until we meet again, keep it Cretaceous.